Hi, this is Eric Strom with Covering Data Consulting, and I want to talk a little bit today about SQL Server downtime. So I don't know how much you guys out there see service interruptions in SQL Server, and there's lots of different things that can cause it. And by the way, for you guys out there with SQL servers, do not, under any circumstances, turn on automatic patching for SQL Server. It's just bad mojo. But at any rate, some of the more common causes of downtime I see, aside from uncommunicated patching, that kind of thing, is just performance issues. And there's different types of performance issues. Like one of them is log blocking, right? And that's when one thing is trying to do something and has a bunch of logs on, say, tables or whatnot, and another process is trying to access those, and they have incompatible logs. And I can dig into that more if any of you techies are interested. But the bottom line is, a lot of times performance causes perceived downtime in things like web applications. And some of them are fairly easy to fix if you have the right tools and the right know-how, and some of them are fairly difficult to fix. Like if the issues are more with the design, because designs, you need to kind of get it right the first time, and the farther you are from the design phase, the more expensive it is to fix. So once you're in the maintenance mode, DBAs are looking at it, it's a lot more expensive to fix those kind of things. But if you are experiencing any types of performance problems and you're really concerned about how that affects your users, whether it be internal users like somebody using an accounting system, or external users, you're an ISV that has web apps that are attached to databases, you probably know that even if your DBAs don't always have the skill set to performance tune, the bottom line is what your users see are downtime. And so it's really expensive, especially for an ISV, to experience that downtime, because it affects your reputation with your current customers. So if you need any type of help with those kind of issues, feel free to reach out, because I definitely understand both the problems as well as how that can affect the users. And sometimes it's just an easy fix where there's things called implicit conversions, and just with a tweak of code you can go from a store procedure taking like many minutes to fractions of a second. And it's not always that extreme, but it can be. So anyway, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if you need any help with those kind of things. Thanks.